Come with me today to see what there is to do in this fabulous city of Prosper, Texas, with a highly sought after school district and million-dollar homes with ponds to walk around. Can't wait to show you. Let's go. Here we are at 1251 Castle Drive in Prosper, Texas. What I love about this house is it's 4,415 square feet with a 3-car garage with insulated wood doors. It has every feature you can imagine, like an outdoor kitchen, room for a pool. It's got a primary and a secondary bedroom downstairs. And all of this with a grand kitchen. Let's go inside and take a look. One of my favorite things at 1251 Castle is this gorgeous kitchen. Look at the amount of cabinets. Not only do you have the normal cabinets that you would have in a kitchen, but you have this lovely pass-through for entertaining. Look at this gorgeous spiral staircase that goes up, and you've got 3 more bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms upstairs, a media room, game room. Look at this down here. You've got a custom office. Look at this gorgeous living room with the stone fireplace. So you've got lots of room in this house to make it your own. Now let's go outside and take a look at the outdoor kitchen. I love this space. There's a Sundance spa also that's included. No rear neighbor. Walking trails with ponds galore out here. They've thought of everything. They extended the back patio. They have the pergola. They have everything you could desire. Come take a look at this house before it's gone.